friends, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack with me Abhi here. So if you are someone who are tired of concealing and covering your pimples with makeup and concealer, so no worries, here I bought you an amazing alternate remedy for that, so that you can cover your pimples and dark spots lesser, or you no need to cover it anymore. So in today's video I'm going to review Pond's Pimple Clear Face Wash, which actively targets your pimples and removes any dark spots later on. So this is an amazing product with cheap within the budget, so that everyone can get your hands on it. So the 50-gram package of Pond's Pimple Clear Face Wash is around 128 or 130, exactly 130 rupees. So anyone who are suffering with acne prone skin can get your hands on it. This is a wonderful face wash which targets pimples and which stops excess oil production from your skin and reducing pimples. This face wash, you can use it twice a day. Those who are suffering from pimple or acne prone skin, you can use it twice a day for better results. And if anyone with normal skin having hormonal imbalances and any other reasons for pimple, you can use it only when you have pimples and not always, because it rips off essential oils from your skin, which would not be fair to your skin at all. But when concentrating on pimple, it actually gives you a very good result within 3 days, without any acne scars behind. So this is an amazing product for acne prone skin as well as those who are suffering from acne. I have dry skin and I cannot use this regularly, so I use it whenever I get acne scars or acne on my skin. And the other days I use the normal face washes, which I need to mention the dryness, to take care of the dryness of my skin, so I cannot use it on a regular basis. So if you are someone with dry skin, so as I told you, you can just use it whenever you have the pimple. Now I'll show you the product consistency. As you can see, this is the consistency and texture of the product. This is of course a chemical cleanser. No way, only you have to use chemical cleansers if you have acne or acne scars. It actually not only clears up the acne, it also clears up the acne scars or dark spots which is left after the acne. So it has chemical fragrance, and it has added artificial fragrance which you cannot actually ignore it, but it does wonders to your skin. Just trust me, you no need to apply it to any other areas. Just on the areas wherever you have the acne, you can just try this face wash and it gives an amazing result. It is not it does not lather so well like our regular face washes, because it is a regular face wash. It is a face wash for a skin concern. So you cannot use it on a regular basis until if you have the acne prone skin type. You can use it, even though if you're suffering from acne, you cannot actually use it on a regular scale. That is twice a day. This product is not actually advisable according to me, and if you are okay with that, you can just check with your dermatologist and you can carry on further. But still, this product, it is a wonderful product for acne prone skin. You can get your hands on it because of its price, which is within the budget, and the ingredients, shelf life and everything is amazing for the product. The fragrance is also not too strong or too mild. It is bearable, and it is actually the ingredients in the face wash. We all know Pond's is a very old product which has been for years. It is a very trustable brand. You can surely try it if you want. So many of them, they may get irritation due to acne skin. So if you are someone suffering from that type of skin, you can actually just do a patch test before trying it, and then you can get your hands on it. So yes friends, I'm just completing my video with this, so don't forget to get your hands on this product. It is an amazing product. Just you can give a try, at least give a try. See friends, this is not a sponsored video. This is just out of my personal experience. I have already used and completed a product and have bought something new only today. which I wanted to review this, and I want you all to get benefited out of this. If you can't get it in the nearby store, I have also mentioned the link in the description. You can go check it out and purchase it if you want. So this is the best face wash. Please don't let it go idle. This is a wonderful thing. You can actually try it. Okay, so I'm just finishing my video with this. If you like my video, you can just give a thumbs up, and you can share it with any of your friends who are suffering from acne, for whom it will be a best solution for. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon nearby, so that you can get the notifications of my video whenever I post a new video. Bye.